Do you think creating a YouTube channel as a portfolio is a good idea? Yes, absolutely. 100%. Just create a YouTube channel, put your work there, showcase. Of course, it's a great idea. For me, for example, when I reach out to brands and when we talk, right, a lot of the times, one of my placeholder videos for those who are not subscribed to my channel, when they click through, the video I have that starts playing is the video of me like doing the ice bath challenge, right? I swam for 30 days in freezing water, and the people, it's a trend, right? Everybody's like, okay, you got to be doing ice baths, it's super good for you. But everybody is like a pussy, so nobody wants to do it because it's cold, right? So then these like grown up men and women, right, who work these like big positions in these like corporate companies, the first thing a lot of the times they tell me over email or over phone is like, yeah, I saw you doing the ice thingy. That's very impressive, right? That acts almost as my like business card. That video acts as my business card because it tells more about me and who I am as a person than anything else, because it's hard, man. It's hard to go every day into the freezing water and be cold and all this, it takes like tremendous amount. So people are like, oh man, this guy's great. He jumps head first into freezing water. Like, okay, let's do business for him. It's like a subconscious thing. So that's why I think it's super important to have that.